Hi, welcome back! For today's project, I have some resin molds that I received from the website onedaysaving.com. These molds are so interesting and I can't wait to see how they will turn out. I will list all items I am using in the description box below. Let me know what you think about this project by clicking the thumbs up button and letting me know what your thoughts are in the comment box below. Before I add the resin, I am brushing on the pigment powder with a paintbrush. I am using different colors for the different areas of the molds. The hats, I am using a black color. The brooms, I am using some brown colors. The clothes, I am using pink, green, purple, and blue. A couple of these molds even have a cat sitting on the broomstick, and of course, I need to color the cat black. This step did take a little bit of time, and I did enjoy brushing the color into the different areas of the molds. I will leave the excess pigment powder in the molds instead of dumping out the powder. This will give a grungy look to my witches, which I like. I will go ahead and speed up the video for the remainder of this step. I am using a resin that I received from Nick Pro. I love this resin and I love how easy it is to work with. It mixes well and there are minimal bubbles that I have to deal with. Once the resin has been mixed, I will add a little bit of black acrylic paint into the resin and mix it thoroughly. As I add the black resin into the molds, I pour it into the largest areas of the mold and then let it flow into the smaller areas. Some of the areas are small and hard to get the resin into, so I used a pipette to help guide the resin into those areas. These are all filling up very nicely. I will get a paper towel and just do some cleanup work around the edges. With my extra resin, I will pour it into what I call my dump mold. This is a larger mold that I add any extra resin into from my projects. I will cover the molds and let it cure for 24 hours. Okay, my plan to let this sit for 24 hours didn't work out so well. I ended up letting it sit for 4 days inside the molds. The resin has definitely set up very nice. The extra time inside the molds did not hurt anything and actually helped them. These molds are a little tricky to demold from the resin. The larger areas came out nice, but the smaller areas needed a little bit of gentle work to come out. These look great. The colors look metallic next to the black resin, and these pieces will work perfect with some spooky decorations. Let me know what you think about this project in the comment box below. Thank you for creating this project with me. I will see you in the next video. Bye.